Hey, I'm Dave from Braveheart Camping, and I'm going to show you how to use this thing over here called a generator, okay? It's really not that hard. You'll actually find it to be simpler than what you thought. All your controls for the generator can be found right here on this panel. And this is all you're going to need to start it up, even though the generator is all the way underneath, right behind the driver's side panel. So all we got to do is we come to this panel here. There's a little button here called start and stop. You might want to try to zoom in on that and see if make sure they got it. Okay, so we got start and stop. That's my beautiful daughter's Bethany's hands there. Start and stop. So to start it up, actually what we do is we press down to the stop, and then we watch this little light turn on, and then this is starting to flicker on. Okay, once that flickers on, then we're going to push up to start, and then we're going to let it run for a second. And oh, can you hear that beautiful noise in the background? That's our generator that just started. Okay, so this generator will give us power, which you can actually run as you're driving down the road. If you felt like you needed to run the air conditioner, you're going to have to turn on your generator. Okay, and you can run this as you're driving down the road. This is especially important like on those really hot summer days when it's hard to cool everything down in the back. You'll turn on full blast your air conditioner from the front, and it's going to be blowing back here, but it may not get it cool enough for you. So you can run your generator as you're driving down the road. Or if you happen to be at a campsite that you're not able to connect to electric, you can run your generator. And this generator then will power everything in the camper. It'll power your ability to run your slide out, it'll power your television, and it'll power the air conditioner. The other thing I want to show you in this particular video is about the air conditioner itself. So when you first start your generator, you're going to want to make sure you have your controls down here to off. You don't want your air conditioner to be on. And the only reason I say that is the air conditioner pulls a lot of amps from the generator right at first, okay? So you don't want it to be on when you're trying to power up the generator itself, okay? So once the generator's run for a couple of minutes, then we can go ahead and turn the air conditioning on. And the place what you want to make sure you do is you want to always have it on auto and high. And you want to always run it on high because that'll keep good airflow, maximum airflow running through the coils, and it'll keep it from freezing up. And then once we got it on auto high, generator's run for a couple minutes, we set it on the temperature we want it to be, and then we just push it over to cool. And in just a second, you'll hear, oh, there it goes. You'll hear the air conditioners turn on, and now it's running, and that'll cool you down on these hot summer days. Hey, this is Dave from Braveheart Camping. Happy camping.